This is you and me. Every time we see, what we see is the negative. What we see is the shortcomings. This is what we see. We need to change this. We need to change this. You see, unless and until we change, the result is going to be the same. It's like that's why Albert Einstein said that the definition of insanity is to do the same thing again and again and expect a different result. No, it won't. You need to change. You need to come out of your comfort zone if you want the change. Change can be achieved with two-step procedure. One is changing the perception, and the second is changing the procedure. How do you change the perception? The way you look at a problem or a situation. The thing on which you focus on, that will change your perception. And how do you change the procedure? The way you respond, the way you approach that problem, that issue, that will be your procedure. So change the perception and the procedure, it will change your life. You see, it is all here. It is all here. Nothing. This body is good. Alhamdulillah, everything is good. If we change this, it will automatically change it. It's all what we think here. See, there was this guy who has a beautiful house. He went on a journey. When he came back from the journey, as he was about to he was seeing his house in front of it, and to his surprise, it was burning. It was a very, very beautiful house. He had spent thousands and millions of rupees on it. So it was a very costly, very beautiful house. Everybody used to appreciate it. That house was burning. So he's just standing there, to his surprise, and he cannot believe it that his house is burning. It was such a costly affair. He had put everything into it. His life's earning he has put into it. And people were requesting him to sell it. He did not sell. He doesn't want to sell it. So when he was seeing it, what do you think, how will be his body language? Completely upset. He was almost on the verge of crying, not believing his eyes. So he is completely upset. He is depressed. Now he sees his elder son walking. He walks in, he says, "Dad." He says, "Yeah, son, what happened? How did this happen?" So his son says, "Don't worry, Dad. Last night I sold this house to such and such person. He has already bought it. So this is not our property. This is his loss, not our loss. I already sold it." So this man who was upset and depressed, now is happy. Wow. He's kissing his son. What a nice step you did. How did you do that? My son, you are great. You saved us. You saved our thing. You saved our fortune. So nice of you. Very good. Now the same person, did the situation change? The house is still burning. He is the same person. Now he is no more depressed. He is happy. He's completely joyful. Just at that moment, he sees his younger son walking. Now his younger son comes, "Dad, I see you're smiling. You see our house is burning?" He said, "Yes, don't worry. Your brother has already sold it." He said, "Yes, he has sold it, but that person has still not signed the papers. So still officially it is ours." Now look at the man. The man is again depressed. Now did the situation change? No, the house is still burning. The man is still standing. And the situation is same. Now he's depressed. His anxiety has taken over. He's completely upset now. He started thinking, "Oh, I lost everything and everything." Then suddenly his son picks up the phone and calls the gentleman to whom he sold. And then once he finishes his talking, he comes back and tells his dad, "Don't worry, I have a good news for you." That gentleman says that, "I am a man of word. Once I told you I have bought the house, I have bought the house. Even if it is burning, it's my property." Now what happens? Now dad is again happy. Situation is same. The house is burning, but the man is the same. Now he's happy. He is joyful again. So where is the change happening? The change is happening here. Physically, nothing is changing. It's all changing here. What do you think? How do you think? How do you interpret it? That's all in your mind. If we can change this mind, we can change our life.